Hello everybody, Rick Binford here from the KBT Keller Williams Realty team, welcoming you once again to beautiful St. James Plantation in Southport, North Carolina. And I'm really excited to introduce you to one of my newest listings here in the community, 3729 Canary Lane, here in the Towns at St. James. Now this is a beautiful, just 2-year-old, 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome, over 2,000 square feet, fully outfitted with all the types of luxury finishes that I know are important to you. Things like hardwood floors, granite countertops, beautiful custom millwork like built-ins and wainscoting and crown moldings. I know you're really going to find this spectacular property. So come on in and take a look. So what did you think? Isn't that a beautiful unit? Didn't you love the vaulted ceilings? And how about that fireplace? And you know, that Carolina room enables you to enjoy bright sunshine in the comfort of heating and cooled space all year long. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate low maintenance, high enjoyment lifestyle, then the Towns here at St. James is an excellent option. And the reason being, all your exterior building and lawn maintenance is covered completely by your homeowners association, leaving you lots of extra time to enjoy all the great things here in St. James Plantation. World-class resort amenities like 81 holes of golf, a very active racket sports program including tennis and pickleball, multiple clubhouses, fitness centers, a full-service marina, restaurants, hiking trails, biking trails, and even a private beach club on nearby Oak Island. Just the type of lifestyle that you're looking for. So if you want to make this yours, give me a call today. Let's get a private tour scheduled for you, 910-477-3181. We look forward to welcoming you back to 3729 Canary Lane.
Hi, I'm Tara Jones with the Adams Slack team at Guaranteed Rate, and we're Wilmington's mortgage experts. We hope you enjoy this home tour. If you'd like to learn more about getting pre-approved for a mortgage, give us a call at 910-238-3433 or visit us online at rate.com/Tara Jones. Thank you.